Amerado Elkuya. I have say Xposed GH. So now subscribe. I'm sure subscribe. My YouTube channel no nothing. So check out our handle on other social platforms. Now a year delay. After say delay a comma speech be or a program be assay Nanny speech is way dear. I can't confirm say because she really said a lot of things. She said a lot of good things, encouraging things and all that, but Kamia Kwaya say Ghanaians and I say some people they like to feast on negative stuff and I say negative neoma because a lot of things to encourage the youth, but in your money be our kind, it didn't sit well with a year. Appiah diamond Appiah. Sardino and not tornado, tornado, and this sardino, and diamond Appiah. Now, diamond Appiah no also have a man delayed in say, to sell and say, why you diverting your name to delay? Already did now me who sardino or instant and say, Mama, don't try to divert the name for delay. Now, when I said tornado say we are gonna assist the Appiah, they also say delay to sell and say, mommy. Now, so the nano ababeto in send be a year delay a kind. Now, in send be any say delay in her speech and or make his statement be said. A year obi couple a bisa question is say Kamia Kwaya say almost celebrities no almost top a year pressure edema youth for na afiance na year ban. And in reply to the gentleman's question, no, and I delay a can say, oh no, dear, she's not part of the people that gives pressure. And I say, oh no, dear, who say I can't complain. At now, I first class, dear, photo shoots, home videos, not a soon or Instagram. She's not part of those people, or no, or yes, sir, or some so can say, or no, she's not part of those people that because social delay and the way she does it is different. Delay can say, or no, crampono, these celebs now, or mukonoma koyo mutu and all that, nipono. She doesn't really think it's necessary. Acquire to set trend, a bar, it will pass. Until the youth shouldn't fall for all this kind of pressure. Now, where's our video? We mean you have my kids already, or yes, our video need to say, we now and share na wakapushe inti after that particular statement no and I pay Ghana assist also other the reply but as you guys you know here dear fan of or claim say delay doesn't have the money to get her body done. Delay doesn't have the money to travel in first class. Delay doesn't have the money to spread like the way you guys the celebrities normal spread the Instagram LinkedIn. Delay man in fact ohia and can kwasi asem se bio. That one Appiah na account I'm not the one saying it. Or say man name fa ohia and can in kwasi asem. I don't really want to talk much. Yenko tie audio no embra.
Ai! Kwa metusela. Emfa ohia and can kwasi asem o oledi. Because wo first ani tutu kwan start for business class top pressure ma wo. Ana won't mean febi no obetina obedi atem. See sorry ani akotena business class ni etwitwa pictures ni videos. But be 4 years down the line, utu mi kofa business class. Wa utwa picture the betu page. Obi akayo ye remfi you. Nti say na say won't me afford vacations ni bia. Kan wanu tum. Obi enu a o post bibi so ebe mo obi pressure o debi na me start ko vacation mo bisa Facebook o ma no follow me on Facebook years ago me free call vacation ene me tu kwan bia so me post stuff unless it be a private vacation me person obi abe nso me tu kwan but aside that a private trip and a business trip me posting me normal vacations they me post since Facebook time. Satam kwana Instagram on buy. Satam na pressure near my buy. Satam kwana susani we are just posting for for fuck's sake or and for fun's sake. Inti enfo here metna make kan kwase asem. Omo so mpe so omo your body no. They can afford it. Inti no makwa ye omo body no. And I so aye kwa ye vacations ni so. We can afford it. Inti ni ye ko no. Inti madam first class vacations no ntimi afford bia. Kan wanu tum. And kotina ka say and obi postima youth pressure. Obi no omo obi pressure sister. O pese obi pressure fawa and ebe fawo. And then we all have the same 24 hours. Into all the own so far the nye juma and pesca. Now be more be post amount pressure. Say Jimmy. Now kofa Camboo boy, small boy we cry to hosokra. So on it na ka mu ye videos posti. Echa pictures posti. E no krampo no sa low key niema we cry no cry wo posti. Na obi atwa first class a vacation. A chata ye ocha. E no de man posti won. Oh, you are joking. So coins in your class will post. Naniama. So coins lifestyle. Anyway, what day now over chair Fanta ni cook. So low budget our day now oh yeah and now so do birthday. No. Say no grab be posty. Osheshe sa tudu mosquito net ntade na egugu form wo market no. I'm a house girl crack to be the proper fee ha no. Osheshe sa nkwase mosquito net togo ni man kwa say no kra obe posti e no kra mpo posti no bi afa ni flight papa bi akọ vacation papa bi chele de no de man in posti on because ebe ma obi pressure. What the hell are you talking about? Are obi so obi lifestyle em obi pressure na? No. One person obi lifestyle ma pressure na ebe ma pressure. But if you're living your life, you're living your life. And your life and you want to share with your followers and fans. Inti u hate abi otini baby a man the pressure de me fa ho ben una wakoma be o ya
hey busiafo ya back aha Xposed GH inti mo ko share video no mo ko tie you see like delay actually didn't mention your name una also tina first class ma all the betu edwa ma fans ehu a that is not a cup of tea in it, even though that, but in a way, you know what, you know, those kind of things to motivate some of us. So like, okay, this person is doing this and that, boom boom ba, so we should also do the same thing and all that. But in a way, so now more top pressure at the man for see. In a way, I side with Delay, and in a way too, I side with a year Appiah Ghana assist. So mad Delay didn't say a friend of. It's like that. Enti ebusia for na hana me di mo besi se me fa suggest we embryo share na me kai say se unya subscribe my YouTube channel no my Appiah neat roofing and asomas neat roofing ni promo no it ends just next month. Be quick na fa number na free na makramo midin and na naja elbia
Onyado for dear no how a dear no adwendwen dear no kodan na edan e na wasiewie e na wo penchen papa e de aboso anadan a wutimo na senso to a enwuno enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam natural things ebie wo mo ensem e de amasan krofoni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo ememe so wo haw no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na ene wo mo endi eye kasubo nsa se wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo age wo mo atum natural things ana wo mo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda